Popular brand JBL, which is owned by Harman, has launched cheapest Bluetooth speaker called JBL Go Plus Portable Bluetooth Speaker. JBL Go Plus costs just Rs 1799, which seems to be a steal considering the brand and the price. I will drop the link to buy this speaker in the description below. Do check it out. So in this video, let's quickly unbox the product and look at the speaker and its performance. As you know, this is Satish. Let's get started. The package comprises of English and French, if I am right. As you can see, the specifications are written in French and the label says here it is imported. Whatever it is, let's unbox the product and see what all we got. Inside the box, we first get the speaker nicely protected by the cardboard. I felt the black variant is subtle and classic, but if you think the other colors are great, then let know in the comment section below. The speaker is definitely compact, measures less than my wallet and weighs 207 grams, but I would say it's a bit thicker to hold. Next we get a cardboard again having USB cable and quick start guide, safety sheet and warranty card. That's it in the box. JBL Go Plus comes with rectangular shape with sharp edges on all four sides. The build has silicone matte finish on top except the grill on front, which should definitely protect from damages. Overall, the design and build seems to be good and solid. On front, it's all grill and the JBL branding. There is multicolor LED indicator as you can see. On top, we get 5 physical button controllers, power button, Bluetooth button, volume controllers and pause and play button. On left, you can use this to tag and hang it. Unfortunately, you don't get any tag in the box. On right, we get audio jack, USB charging slot and microphone. And on back, nothing but a JBL branding again. Well, even though this is budget Bluetooth speaker which costs less than 2000 rupees, the sound quality was impressive considering it has mono channel instead of stereo. You might not be convinced with the bass performance, but overall the sound quality was top notch. The vocals and the music were not at all compromised. Warning, warning, warning. This is not at all IP certified water resistant speaker, so do not try to immerse in water. There is 730 mAh battery inside the speaker which takes approximately 2.5 hours to full charge, and it can last long up to 5 hours of playtime, which is not at all bad. Isn't it great? I walked 40 steps away from the speaker and I still could able to control over Bluetooth. Previously Sony did with their XB01 entry level speaker which costed just 1699 and it's JBL's turn now. It's clear JBL wants to capture the below 2000 Bluetooth speaker market and JBL Go Plus seems to be the perfect contender. JBL Go Plus has got both build quality and sound production, which makes it an easy choice for buyers to buy. That's it for today. If you think I deserve a credit for making this video, then hit the subscribe button and become part of this channel. As you know, this is Satish. Have a nice day and stay awesome.